just general design tips, things that I tend to find when designing custom pages. First one's pretty obvious, but model-driven apps have a very specific look and feel. They don't deviate too much from that. You're always going to have a nav bar on the left. You're always going to have some sort of command bar at top, and then some sort of list or form view underneath that. They always follow that same kind of format and very familiar design standard guidelines. So as a developer, designing kind of to match that is probably pretty integral to a custom page, in my opinion, because you want to match that experience and make sure that you're providing something for end users that's consistent with that look and feel. By doing that, you can enhance user experience, adoption, all that good stuff that we all strive for when developing these great solutions. I try to use reusable templates for this kind of thing as well. When you pick up a custom page and you have that kind of set design, it almost makes sense to reuse that base template if you can across other areas. It just means that you can pick up the kind of important things like putting your lists or your forms in and doing that kind of stuff. So if you're able to kind of come up with a template to do that, then it just makes the most sense. And finally, the Creator Kit. That's a third-party PowerCat tool that you can download and install into your environment. But using that to complement custom pages is something I would recommend if you're able to do it. Things like command bars are really powerful in model-driven apps, and being able to bring that into something like a custom page really makes sense in my mind. So consider doing that. But if you are going to use like the Creator Kit, just remember to turn on the code components button within the admin center. Otherwise, they won't work.